It is not clear how the thumb and forefinger OK hand gesture became associated with white power. It apparently began as an online hoax or trolling tactic before it was adopted by some far-right sympathizers. In 2018, a member of the US Coast Guard was fired for making the hand gesture on live TV. In 2019, the Anti-Defamation League added it to a list of hate symbols, though the organization noted its use can still be used to simply show approval of something. Therefore, particular care must be taken not to jump to conclusions about the intent behind someone who has used the gesture, the AL said. DC United has also placed players Taxi Fountas and Nigel Robertha on paid administrative leave, while the MLS investigates possible violations of league policy. The statement made no mention of the reasons behind it. The club said it promptly reported the matter to the league, prompting MLS to start their inquiries. DC United's head coach is former UK footballer Wayne Rooney. It is unclear if he was involved in the decision to fire the trainer. The team has played in MLS, the highest tier professional league in US soccer, since the league was founded in 1996.